In today's video, we'll show you the journey of a 30-year-old guy who was struggling with his hair loss issues. On examination, we can see that the scalp, there is thinning of his hairline. The hairline is almost gone. There is so much of thinning which is happening in the mid-scalp area going towards the crown. He decided to restore his hair. He decided to have his confidence back. Losing hair at such young an age was affecting his confidence. The patient here was also suffering from alopecia areata, wherein the disease was totally burnt out and a single patch was remaining, which could now only be improved with the transplant. So we designed the hairline keeping the structural dynamics in mind. So we designed the hairline in such a way that it is neither too low, neither too high, and going forward also would give him a natural appearance. So this is how we marked the hairline as well as the egg area, which is supposed to be giving him a fuller look because the maximum density would come in the egg area. The front few centimeters also would be a high density because even if his hair thins later on, it would give him a fuller as well as a natural appearance. The hairline usually consists of single root grafts, but the egg area as well as some areas contain 2 and 3 root grafts. They are placed in such a way to give volume and puff to the hair. This is how he progressed month after month when he came for his PRP sessions. So the shedding period was uneventful and quickly he got the hair back. By 6th month, his look was changed in a sense that he got his hairline back, and this result was going to improve over a period of time. At 1 year, it's supposed to be getting a good volume and a good density in these areas. We just asked the patient out of curiosity how his hair was and how was he maintaining it. He sent the pictures and we were really happy to see that he has still retained the transplanted hair and he is maintaining them just fine, and he was very happy.